creating the diagonal supports that go into the main frames that I create. And right here, I am actually making the center point so I can drill a pilot hole, like a pre-hole that makes it easier for the screw to go into the frame without any splitting or cracking. So I just simply make a center line. I'm using a square, and I will use a simple straight edge after that and mark that center point so the screw is directly in the center of this support. You can see it has the 45-degree angles on each side, and those will go into the corner of the frame that I'll show you. Here I'm actually attaching a pilot hole tool, and this allows me to create a pilot hole, and it kind of indents into the wood so the head of the screw doesn't go through the wood. It goes to a certain depth. I'm using a Makita power drill just to make that hole. You can see on the right hand side I've got a stack of them there, and you can see the hole that I've created in each of the ends of the diagonal support pieces that go into the frame. I will be using a different technique in the future, but for right now, with the tools that I have, this is working well, and the frames are a little bit overbuilt. They're stronger than they need to be, but for now, this is what works. So now I'm showing you the actual frame itself. You can see the diagonal piece in each corner of the frame, and I'm outside sanding these frames with the diagonal support piece in there, and they came out really nice, and this is really a well sanded. And side note, this is all reclaimed wood. So these frames that I'm showing you now don't actually have the diagonal support pieces, but I wanted to give you a reference point in terms of the frames, their size in relationship to the wall, in relationship to the display area, and that's the position that these frames will take. And the whole room, or my whole studio, this is just the main display area. I have actually 3 display areas, but this is basically how the frames will be set up in the main display area of my studio. There's a opposing wall that has more space, and I'll show you that in future videos. And I'm just measuring everything. I'll get a bigger flat screen TV as well to fill in that space. But I wanted to shoot this quick video just to show you a day in the life inside of Miami World Art. We are a micro art studio on the outskirts of Wynwood in Miami. Please like and subscribe.